my friends, how are you today? I am Ishna and I welcome you back to yet another haul video, and this time it is from Miniso. Now I have ordered for a couple of products online because Miniso is available now on Amazon and Flipkart. So but all of those are not delivered. What I have currently is only perfumes, and that is what I'm going to show you today and talk and try to give you a mini review on each of these fragrances. So once I get the other products delivered as well, I'll film a part 2 of this version as well. So in case perfumes and Miniso perfumes are your thing, then please keep on watching. So the first fragrance that I want to talk about is Exquisite Blue. The outer packaging looks like this. It's a cardboard packaging and the bottle looks something like this. It's beautiful, it's classy, and it's a transparent bottle with a pink liquid. Just in case you can't make out, it's pink liquid. I've checked everywhere, but there are the notes for any of these fragrances are not shared. So whatever I can pick up from my nose, I'll only talk about those. So as you can see, the packaging is very cute and classy. It's a 30 ml bottle and this retails for rupees 360. Quite a decent price because this is an EDT. The lid is decent. It is not super tight like other perfumes. It comes off quite easily. This could have been a bit better. This is just a plain acrylic cap, but at least if the quality was better, if it stuck to the sprayer, then it would have been better. Now this one, it's a beautiful, powdery, sweet, floral fragrance, and it very much reminds me the fragrances of malls. I mean, whenever you go to a mall and you go towards the fragrance section, you get to smell all sorts of fragrances mixed together, and this is what smells something like that. From the sniff, I can make out that it's kind of fruity, citrusy, maybe floral a bit. Yeah, I get a hint of maybe peony flowers, maybe, as it has a pink colored liquid. It's kind of reminiscent of bubblegum like smell. Like, you remember the ones that we earlier used to have pink colored those bubblegums, Boomer and all. It is kind of similar but not in a gross manner. It's quite good. The only drawback of this one is that after some time it fades like anything. I mean, for an EDT, the lasting power is not good. I mean, you can maximum get a wear time of 2 hours, not more than that, which is kind of a bummer. Your pulse points, if you bring it close to your nose, then you can sniff it. The projection is not great. It is not a great perfume. The smell is quite generic. It's a cute bottle. I will give the packaging 90%. I'm taking away the 10% because of the lid. The lid is not that great. From the fragrance, it's a very generic smelling fragrance. You will get tons of fragrance like this in the market. The only thing is, it's cheap. You're getting an EDT, but it doesn't perform like an EDT. I mean, 2 hours, EDT performs at least for 2-3 hours. Few EDTs perform even more than that. This one, I will not recommend anybody. But yeah, if you don't mind spritzing this on yourself a couple of times throughout the day, then you can go ahead, because this is after all a beautiful scent. I cannot say that this is a bad scent. This is quite a good scent, and it's just that you need to reapply this for quite amount of time throughout the day in order to make this smell on you and let others smell it on you as well, as the projection is not great also. Sorry for starting off with the one that I like least, but I'll come to the one that I like most out of the 3 fragrances that I'll be showing, and this is Sunrise. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's a cardboard box, just like others, but the packaging is quite good because the fragrance is housed in a box like this with this safety lid as well. So I'm quite happy with the packaging that way. And the inside bottle looks something like this. It's a stunning bottle. It's a see-through bottle with a see-through liquid, and it is the sticker here that you can see on the front when you read Sunrise. Now this one. The packaging for this one is slightly better because the lid is kind of stuck, that you have to apply pressure to pull off, which was not the case for the other one. The spray is very good. It's more even than the other one. And the scent, my god, this is the favorite Miniso fragrance that I have. This one is kind of similar to a Zara fragrance, which one I cannot put my finger on. But let's say if Zara white fragrance and nude bouquet, if both of those have a baby, this would what the baby would smell like. This is that similar. As I said, I can't find the notes, so whatever I'm picking from the smell, I can share that only. It's a musky, it's a fruity smell. The most unique thing is this smells kind of like homeopathy medicine, but in a good way. Definitely not in a bad way. It is quite unique. It's quite nice, and for the price point and the size that you are getting, it's quite good. The longevity is also good. Oh, I forgot. This is a 50 ml bottle, and it retails for rupees 460. Now this fragrance is best suited for special evenings. This is not a regular day fragrance. I mean, this one you can wear it on an everyday basis, and that too multiple spritzes would be required. Whereas this one, few spritz and you're good to go. The sillage is good, the longevity is good, and you can safely get a wear time of 4 to 5 hours from this one. It's a great one. I'll highly recommend you to try this one. It opens with a fruity, sparkling fruity note, and it slowly glides on towards a muskier base, which is just stunning. This is, I cannot rave enough about this fragrance. I love this quite a lot. And finally, I have Dancing on the Shore. This is how the outside packaging looks like. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It's a clear bottle with a clear liquid. The white lid just makes the thing perfect. So the packaging is quite good. Cap is also good. Spray is also great. Now this fragrance is straight up a floral, white floral like fragrance, maybe towards jasmine or tuberose types, and it's extremely good. The biggest drawback that this one doesn't last even 2 hours. I mean, I love this fragrance. I would have recommended this highly because this comes second if I have to rate among the 3 fragrances that I am showing. My number 1 will be Sunrise. Number 2 will be this one. This is Dancing on the Shore, Cala Mesquida. I'm sure I'm butchering the name, but that is what I can read from the bottle. And third would be this one. But the only drawback for this one is this smells even better than Exquisite Bloom. That is why it is in the second position. But this doesn't last. I mean, I'm so disappointed in this one because the smell is intensely beautiful. I mean, this one is something that you spray it on yourself, people will notice. People will ask you how this fresh yet subtle yet floral, sophisticated smell is coming from. This is all that bottle in this 30 ml bottle. Now this one is priced at 360 as well, just like Exquisite Bloom. But yeah, it doesn't last that much. I mean, nonetheless, if you're ready to spritz on yourself this fragrance every 2 hours, you can try this, because if I have to recommend between this one and this one, I will recommend this one because this is a generic smelling one. You have smelled tons of perfumes in the market that smells like this one, whereas this one is soft, subtle, sophisticated, better, anytime better than this one, although I like the color of this bottle, the color of the liquid more. So the advantage of these bottles from Miniso is they are super affordable, coming to the point that these are EDPs and EDTs being talked about. This one lasts best because this is an EDP, I forgot to mention, but both of this one and this one are EDTs, but considering the price point at which they are offered, it is not bad. You can give it a try. If not Exquisite Bloom, then Dancing on Shore, Cala Mesquida, definitely give this one a try. You can spritz it on yourself and experience this beauty as well. It comes in a cute packaging, easy travel friendly packaging, lightweight. You can carry this around with you as well wherever you go and spritz it when required. So overall, quite good. This is quite a good fragrance that can be used on an everyday purpose as well as special occasion. So use it as you will. So with that, we have come to the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this mini haul. I have another haul probably coming up when all the rest of the products from Amazon are delivered, which is from Miniso only. So instead of going to the store, now it's safer that you bring it to your house and sanitize the box. I am not showing you any boxes. This is the only reason, because I sanitize, I take out the product and I throw it away. I don't keep it. I don't want to keep it at this point. Maybe once we are over with this phase, I will keep it and I'll show it in the boxes as well. So that's it for today. In case you like this video, don't forget to click like, share it with your friends, and tell me in the comment section below if you have tried anything from Miniso, because Miniso hit big last year. Everybody was purchasing something or the other from Miniso, and it would have continued this year as well had the lockdown and all these things didn't start. So if you enjoy Miniso perfumes as well, leave that in the comment section below. I will be eager to read those, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, bye.